I promise to be your companion and friend, your ally in conflict, your greatest fan, and your toughest adversary. I will dream with you, celebrate with you, and walk beside you through whatever our lives may bring.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer.
Being honest with yourself at all times. Being honest with the other person at all times. Telling, listening, respecting the truth, and never pretending. Love is the source of reality.
I promise to be faithful to you. In a world where infidelity is deemed normal and acceptable, where doing good is unbelievably difficult, and doing wrong is awfully simple, I promise to ignore the temptation.
Neco told me if my heart isn't in it, it makes no sense pursuing it. And that was an 18-year-old telling me that. So I don't drink alcohol, but I will tell you to raise your glasses to a man I think that is the perfect fit for any union. And Vevene, you're extremely lucky to have snatched probably one of the best ones not only our island could offer, but the entire region. Cheers to you, mate. And cheers to all you.